Hi, I'm Adrian Lomas, a professional EOS implementer. I'm passionate about helping senior leadership teams implement and run their business on the Entrepreneur's Operating System known as EOS.
Why?
Why? Simple. I've seen what a difference it made in my business from being practically insolvent. I was living under my desk for 3 months to rebuilding my business and selling it using EOS as a system for all of my team to follow. As an EOS implementer, I help people to achieve what they want from their business, helping them to break through the ceiling and bring more accountability throughout their business. It may be just advice I give based on my many years of leading my own business or from the teams that I help on a weekly, monthly basis, or simply giving to them a book like this, which I read. Help first is a true value of myself and the other implementers within the EOS community. However, if you want to achieve your goals much quicker, there is no finer way than working with someone that has been there, seen it, and done it. Using the EOS system purely, this is what an implementer does. Teaches, facilitates, and coaches the senior leadership teams to success. Seeing the massive improvements that the teams go through as they realize what they can do when they harness the team's energy all in one direction is exactly what gives me the passion to work with great teams. So please, reach out to me if you have any questions at all and allow me the opportunity to help you.